This is in this paper. I'll discuss first 15 questions of evening session. First one, by seeing this, it is non-homogeneous differential equation. So how do we solve this? We will assume x plus y as 2x minus y 0. From here, x comma y you get 1. X is x plus h, y is y plus h. Dx d capital X. So dy by dx, here it is x plus y by x minus y. Homogeneous, how do we solve means y is vx. So v plus x dv by dx, 1 plus v by 1 minus. I suggest when this type of problem comes, better to leave it and solve remaining problems. Here it is 1 minus v by 1 plus y square dv is integrating tan inverse v. This is half log 1 plus v square is log mod x plus log c. Tan inverse v here is y by x, which is y minus 1 by x minus 1. Log mod x plus log c. First condition, when x is 0, y is 2. Tan inverse 2 minus 1 by minus 1 minus half log. Y here is 2. 2 minus 1 by 1. X, here it is x in the sense x minus 1. Log 1, 0. It is capital X, x minus 1. Log c you get. So log c is minus pi by 4 minus half log. Put x as 2. Tan inverse 2 minus 1. Y minus 1 by 1 minus half log 1 plus y minus 1 whole square. X is 2 minus 1, which is log 1 plus log c. Log 1 is, log 2 plus log c. Not 2, 2 minus 1, right? Log 1 only. And now this is 0. Here you put y as 0, tan inverse minus 1, which is minus pi by 4, minus of log 2 you get. So answer is y of 2 is 0. So A has m elements, number of elements in its subsets of A means number of element in power set will be 2 power n. In B, there are n elements. Number of elements in power set will be 2 power n. So subset of A is 54 more than subset of B. That is 2 power m minus 2 power n. So m must be greater than this. 2 power m must be greater than 56. Suppose if I take 6, 2 power 6 will be 64. And n as 3. 64 minus 8, 56 is satisfying. Anything lesser than that, not possible. M as 5, it becomes 32. And after that, different. So now the point becomes 6 comma 3 and other point is minus 2 comma 3. The distance between them is 8 square plus 0. So answer is 8. So AMN is not such that between AMN question subset of A is 54 more than that of B, then find question is 2m plus n. Okay, 1 minute. 2m plus n will be m here is 6 plus 3, that is 50. So this equation involving two different functions. One is tan theta and secant theta. So to get the solution, you should convert in terms of only one function, 1 plus secant square theta minus 2 secant square theta minus 5 secant theta. 2 minus 1 minus 6, so minus 6 sec theta. So secant theta is 3 or plus 1, secant theta is minus of. Here this implies cos theta is minus 2, which is impossible. But perfect angle we don't know. We have to take the help of a graph to understand that. This is coordinate axis. Let us take x0. Basic graph, if you draw it, secant 0 is 1, secant 90 is infinity. Here in this is up to pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. In this region, it is negative secant. Similarly, 3 pi by 2 to 5 pi by 2, you take it. If you draw the graph, again, same graph. So again, 5 pi by 2 to 7 pi by 2. We will have a again negative. This is useless for us. Again, you take a graph up to 9 pi by 2. Again, this will be positive. Again, up to 11 pi by 2 if you take it. Again, 13 pi by 2. So now secant, this is secant 0, which is 1. And here secant theta 3 means here it is 1. 3 is somewhere here. So correspondingly one solution. Second solution. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So there are 7 solutions within the region. He told 0 to n pi by 2. That n is 30. Sigma k equal to 1 to n 2 power 30. So k here varies from 1 to 13 because n is 13. You get 1 by 2 power 13. 13 into 14 by 2. So 91 by 2 power 13. Here ellipse passes through the foci of hyperbola. This is ellipse. Hyperbola. What are hyperbola foci? So 9 equal to 16 e square minus 1. E equal to 5 by 4. Foci will be plus or minus 4 into 5 by 4 comma 0. So now this ellipse passing through foci 5 comma 0. 25 by a square y 0, a square is 25. And here eccentricity is even for hyperbola. Eccentricity of ellipse is, so b square is 25. And he given that E1, E2 is 1. So E2 will be 1 by 5 by 4, which is b square will be 25 into 1 minus 16 by 25. 25 into. So now ellipse equation finally. Here we got an ellipse equation. X square by 25 plus y square by 9 is 1. So the length of chord of an ellipse passing through 0 to. Once you take an ellipse, here is 0 comma 2 will be somewhere here. X0 y2. There are infinite number of chords which passes through 0 to. But he must mention in this way different lines, different slopes will be there. You may not get chord length. So I feel some data is missing. So what I suggest you is a chord which passes through 0 to and parallel to x-axis means there is a possibility. So in such case, parallel to x-axis at 2 units, y will be 2. 1 minus 4 by 9, x square will be 125 by 9 plus or minus 5 root 3 by. So in this case, it is minus 5 root 3 by 3. Here it is 5 root 3 by. Then chord length will be 2 times 5 root 3 by 3, which is 10 root 3 by 3. So that will be the answer. Either copying data or maybe original file. Till getting original file, we don't know what exactly given. Here I can write this as so x cube is there. In terms of x cube, x power 6 will come. What I do here is I will divide with x power 6, x power 12, 3x power 6 plus 1 by tan inverse x cube plus 1 by x cube dx. X square minus 1 by x power 4, x power 6 plus tan inverse take x cube plus 1 by x cube as t. So 3x square minus 3 by x power 4 dx, you get dt. So this x cube plus 3 plus 1 by x power 6. I can write x cube plus 1 by x cube whole square plus 1. So you get dt by 3 t square plus 1 tan inverse t. So now you take tan inverse t as m, 1 by 1 plus t square dt is dm. So dm by 3m, which is log m by 3 plus c. Log of m value is tan inverse t, which is by 3 plus c. First question. An urn contains 6 white, so number of white balls 6, number of black balls. Thus, 2 successive draws of 4 balls are made without replacement. So total number of balls 15. So exhaustive cases 4 balls are drawn. Successive draws means 2 draws. In one draw, first he drawn 4 balls. First draw all gives white balls. How many white are there? 6 white. In first draw, that is all must be white. 4 are drawn, total 15 are there. 11 are left over. So from 11 balls, second draw give all black balls. That is all black balls. How many black are there? 9. So 9c4. So 6c4 into 9c4. Right. So probability of here it is. He didn't draw at a time, so I should not take 15c4. He draw one after another. First he drawn out of 15 4. Again from remaining 11 he drawn 4 because 2 successive. So P of E will be N of E by N of S. 6c4 into 9c4 by 11c4. 6543 9876 by 15 14 13 12 11 13 12 sorry 11 10 9 8. Cancellations, possible cancellations here. 5s get cancelled out again. 6 2s 2 into 2. 5 into 3, 15 get cancelled. 7, 7. 7 get cancelled. 66 by 13, 11, 10. You get 5. So after simplification, 55 around 750. This was the option. Here, 20th term. First term is 20. Last term is this. So nth term is 20 plus n minus 1 into d. D is difference. 80 minus 3 times n minus 1 by 4. Minus 129 minus 3n plus 83. It is, sorry, 120, not 129, 129, 1 by 4. That is 517 by 4. Here it is with minus 600, n is 200. So 20th term from end means from right end. Total 200 are there. So remaining will be how many terms? 180. 20th term from this end means 181th term from right end. So 181 will be A plus 180D. A here is 20 and D is minus 3 by 4. 20 minus, so get minus 115, second option. So here it is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy, provided x greater than 0, y greater than 0, xy. So keeping that in, I will write it as x plus 2x by 1 minus 2x square. That is here x into 2x greater than 1, x square is greater than 1 by 2. The tan inverse 3x by 3x by 1 minus 2x square. So 3x is 1 minus 2x square. From here, 2x square plus 3x minus 1 0. Minus 3 b square 9. 8 minus 1, that is by 2 into 2. Two values possible. It is ruled out because x positive, and it is obviously root 16. You take 4 minus 3, 1 by 4. So this will be satisfying this condition. So this is possible answer. Does not form a triangle means lines may be parallel or any two lines may be parallel, third may intersect, and coincident possibility, and other possibility is concurrent. If you observe this, these are all three are not parallel, so it is ruled out. Parallel means A1 by A2 must be equal to B1 by B2. 2 by 6 is 1/3, but minus 1 by 3. So here, so in this case, two of them are parallel. First and second can't be parallel. Second and third, 6 by alpha equal to 3 by 2. From here, alpha is 4. Even first and third can be parallel. In that case, 2 by alpha is minus 1 by 2. Alpha is minus 1. So another possibility is lines are concurrent. That is 2x minus y is 3. 6x plus 3y minus 4. So here it is minus 6y is 13. So possible values 4 square plus minus 4 whole square, 13 by 6 whole square. So after simplification, 16 plus 16 plus here this, it's not 13 by 6. So it's this point we have to substitute. 2x is equal to 3 plus y. Y 13 by 6, 18, that is 5 by 6. So x will be 5 by 12. The point 5 by 12 comma minus 13 by 6 lies on this line. Substituting, we get alpha as 4 by 5. So 16 by 25. So here integral part of this will be, this is a fractional part which will be 32. Here it is 2 by 2 matrix. It is in fact characteristic equation, that is ABCD minus some x into I 0 0. I is 0. So for this equation, A minus x, B, C, D minus x. Its determinant is 0. A minus x into D minus x minus CB is 0. So x square minus x into A plus D plus AD minus CB. Any time if you find characteristic equation, sum of the diagonal elements will give you trace. Sum of the roots, and product of the roots will give you determinant. This is alpha beta, this is alpha plus beta. Right. Here those roots are minus 1 and 3. Trace A will be, that is A plus D is 3. Product minus 3 is dead here. After that, then sum of diagonal elements of a square. That means what he is asking, a, b, c, d. This is a square plus bc, b plus bd. D square plus 2cb, which is I will write plus 2ad. This is a plus d whole square, which is 4, minus 2 times ad minus bc. ad minus bc is minus 3, 6 plus 4. We get to 10. Here for this circle, um, x plus y is the equation tangent, lambda beta is the center, radius is root 15. So lambda plus beta by root 2, perpendicular distance square, is equal to root 50. So lambda plus beta is root 100, which is 10. So lambda plus beta whole square is 100. Here he given in this problem, mean of first 15 observations is 12 and standard deviation is 3. So variance is 9. So in this one particular number is 12. Now that 12 is replaced by 10. So here it is 180. Right? The 2 is excess. If I subtract, new mean will be x1 to x15 by 15, which is mu for us. So then sigma square is 9. Sigma xi whole square by 15 minus sigma xi by 15 whole square is 9. So now what we have to find out is here x1 square, x12 square plus x15 square. This when it was 12, one of the data value is 12 by 15. Sigma xi by 15 is 12 square, which is 9. So x1 square 144, 153 into 15. Now it's 100 because 12 is replaced by 10. Is 153 into 15 minus 44 by 15 by 15. So sigma square, this is, let us say, sigma 1. Sigma square is, this is 153 minus 44 by 15 minus new mean. New mean is new square. So sigma square plus mu square is 153 minus 44 by 50. Mu square plus mu will be 153 minus 44 by 15. So 178. So this is 153 plus 134 by 50. 2285 where 2295 plus 134 by 15. So 15 into mu here is 2429. Here it is. Its limit is finite value means it should be of once you substitute 0 cos 0 0 by 0. So it should be, so beta value is minus 3. Before applying L'Hospital, just I divide and multiply this approaches 1. Then I apply L'Hospital on the remaining part. Alpha cos x minus beta sin x by 1 plus x to x. So this one is alpha plus 1 by 0, which implies alpha is minus 1. So alpha minus beta is plus 3. So which is 1. So alpha here tends to 0. It is ln of 1 minus x. Okay. Then you'll have minus 1. Then minus 1. Alpha is plus 1. Then 5 is the answer. So here you have two curves. One is a straight line which passing through origin. Other is it is 6x minus x square, x into 6 minus x. It intersect x-axis at 0 and 6. So you have a parabola, and he said minimum. Minimum means this one parabola and line. Line is minimum up to this point. After this, line and parabola you see. So parabola line is dominating. So you have to find uh, this area, triangle area plus LCM. Right. So even it's once where they intersect, 6x minus x square is 2x. They intersect at 0 comma 4. This area no need to integrate, just triangle area. So this is y equal to 2x when x is 4, 8, 16. So this part 4 to 6, 6x minus x square dx. That is 6x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 between 4 and 6. 6 square, 216 minus 16. Here it is 6 square, so 36 minus 16. 3 into 20, 60. Here it is 21 minus 6, 152 by 3. 76 minus this. 228 minus 152 by 3. So what you have to find out is 12a. 12 into 76 by not 4. Your position vectors of vertices of triangle ABC 2i plus 3j plus 3k 2i minus 2j plus 3k minus I minus 2j plus 3k. So you have to find I denotes internal angle bisector of BAC, where D is on the line segment. So you have to find AD length. We know that BD is to DC is AB is to yes. AB length, AB factor 2i minus 2i 0 minus 2j minus 5j 3k. AC will be 2i plus I 3i 3j plus 2j 5j 3k get cancelled. AB is to AC will be 25 is to 9 plus 25 root 34. I plus 3j plus 3k 2i minus 2j get cancelled 5j 5 minus I minus j, so it is. So 2i plus I 3j plus 4j. So it is 5. So 5 is 2. Then D position vector minus 5i plus 5j plus 15k plus 2i minus 2j plus 3k by 6. Section formula minus 3i plus 3j plus 18k by 6. So minus I plus j plus 6k by 2. So AD length will be minus half I plus j plus 6k minus 2i minus 3j minus 3k minus 5i minus j minus 7j minus 6k by 2. So AD bar will be 25 plus 49 plus 144, 169 plus 49 root 218 by 2. So this is L. So he's asking 2L square. L square is 218 by 4. And that is 109.